All right. So we're finished. So I'm going to let you know the mistakes I made after. I'll show you the grand reveal. Ready? There she is. Okay, so because this is a portable griddle, right, you would have to put it with a 1 pound camping propane tank, and it would go on the side here. But we didn't want to use a 1 pound, we wanted to use the 20 pound regular tank. So we got an extension hose, right? But then I had to make a hole in the table and have the hose come in, because this guy had to be like that, which I'm hoping somebody out there would be able to think of a way to attach this 1 inch male coupler and put it into this little guy in here, right? And then I would buy a regulator, I think it is, and put it on the tank wise, on the tank side, because this takes away from the prep area. It wouldn't be so bad if it was a hose, but this is kind of weird looking, right? So what should have happened was the tiles should have went on this side, this would have been here, then this could have hung off the side of the table, hose off the side of the table and underneath here, and the tank just shoved over. That's one way it could work, because that kind of looks weird right there in the center. I'm still thinking a way to change that, because it's bugging the out of me. Right. I was also thinking flipping the table around, and that would put the tile side here, but the hole would still remain because I already put the hole in. So that's what it is. So this has been a long process. Thank you very much for watching this whole thing, this journey, and tell me what you think. Don't forget, like, subscribe, leave a comment. See ya.